Hello, everybody. This is Trap Trader from London. We are looking at ES mini futures. This is 26th of April 2024. It's Friday, and we are trading ICT concepts. What happened? We had Asia buy side liquidity here, just been swept. Some sort of news. Let's quickly have a look. Personal spending, core PCE. All right. Still high. I mean, that's what they were expecting. Anyway. And what is happening right now? Here. We did sweep this London sell side. That was actually. Alright. This is the open. That's the London low. I'll consider this as equal low that we have swept. And what to expect today? Probably ranging day after that big move yesterday. There was a fair value gap, the bullish one, just a minute ago. We'll still have a lot of liquidity here. 5,105, 5,100. So I'm gonna wait a little bit longer just to see what can happen. What do we have in here? Intel dumping. Alphabet yesterday went up on earnings. Who else was? Amazon, Meta was down. Tesla. We had this earnings yesterday. Can I see that? Right, Intel, Alphabet, Microsoft. Okay. I don't think I have. I don't think I have. Microsoft here. There you go. That's what it is. Microsoft is here. Interested in electronics. Okay. So they did push higher. Now we are selling. Right, lots of liquidity here. The market can go into 107, 105. We'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. And because of this big move that we had yesterday off that order block, closed the gap and we pushed even higher into the close and stayed there overnight. I am expecting a little bit of ranging today. That is probably a good buy somewhere here. I just need to look for good entry. Switch to 2 minutes. Let's have a look. So we did have there was a gap here, fair value gap for a second when the market was pushing on 3 minutes. Yeah, we had this fair value gap here.
As we're seeing from a reporter for Axios via Twitter here on Israel, apparently Israel made it clear to Egypt in talks with the Egyptian intelligence delegation that visited the country today that Israel is willing to give one last chance to reach a hostage deal, but if there is no progress, it will go to Rafah. Again, this is according to an Israeli senior official being cited by a news source on Twitter.
I'm going to wait till this liquidity is taken on one or the other side. And we're going to enter the trade after that. Okay, let's wait. I'm going to pause this video. So, market never revisited this fair value gap. We are pushing. We're going to push into these highs. London buy side. Liquidity. Fair value gap. It's a little bit too high for me to enter that. That's not a discount area. Kind of on the edge of the discount area. We'll see. Oh, we're waiting now. Let's pause it. 10 p.m.
77.2, 77.2, that's lower than forecast, 77.9. 1 year inflation final at 3.2%, 3.2%, higher than forecast, 3.1%. The 5 year inflation unchanged at 3%, 3%. University of Michigan expectations at 76, 76, lower than forecast, 77.1. And conditions at 79, 79, lower than forecast, 79.1. So noticing some slight strength in the dollar following this. Again, noteworthy U.S. University of Michigan 1 year inflation final coming in slightly higher than expected.
We have liquidity at 140. Market is pushing higher. That's the fair value gap here. which is holding.
We have posted out the University of Michigan April final report on the feed for anyone interested.
Well, let's wait then. So I'm trying to be conservative with taking trades, and was really thinking about getting in here when I saw that once we took a London side, sell side. Yeah, that was pretty much the trade. Now it's we're approaching the high of that's Friday high. Sorry, Thursday high. We just took it one more time. We did take that before. So yeah, we did take this 15 minutes as well. We have liquidity up to 140, 145. So that was probably the trade of the day down here. So we have London buy side up here, and market will try to sell what they bought here. They will try to sell it out there, I guess. And the liquidity has been added at 55 as well, so much higher. Let's quickly have a look. What do we have here? 55 is up here. So that's the fair value gap. And that is, well, the whole area here. I will treat as a bearish order book. Yeah, so the bottom of that. Technically speaking, it's up here. To be honest, that's the order block. That's the liquidity. We do have a little bit here. And this is RTH, right? Yeah. All right. Well, let's keep it this way. All right, market just dropped into this fair value gap again. And there will be an opportunity. No. No. It's a bit too high to take that. We might get a push now. That will be a scalp. Yeah. Add to that. If you answer that, then you have a nice scalp. 25, 32, and then we should push into 40. So that will be, yeah, it's not scalp. It's 17 points, 18 points move if we go to 40. We should. We have liquidity. There will be a bit of front running. So 37. Yeah. Be better like that. To keep this way. Because we don't need to watch this 15-minute all the time. Yeah. Let's wait. So we're not in it. We have to wait. So what we see right now, it's a bit of front running. So market was trying to push into this, but plenty of traders decided to grab what they have in anticipation that market can turn a little bit lower, and then we might go higher again into this 51.40. So here was the entry of the day. Once we had this fair value gap. So let's mark this as a missed opportunity.
So Citigroup changes their Fed call to 100 basis points of cuts this year from July.
I'm gonna have this gray color. A missed opportunity here. But you literally had seconds to make this decision to go long. There was a fair value gap. If I go back and show you that, then you will see oh, you can't even see that. It was literally a second and immediately has been closed. So, yep, that was the opportunity. And now we are pushing towards 51.40. Oh yeah, so let's wait till we get there. Post this video. So I was away from my computer when we took that London buy side liquidity, and there was a entry here to short this market. So missed opportunity again. Oh yeah, that's the color of missed opportunities. So that's what it was. And yeah, today is a range day, pretty much. We took the London low. Now we took the London high. So this is by side. So we took the London low, London sell side. We pushed into London buy side, and there was an opportunity to get short here immediately once we got that displacement, and when this candle was trying to get in there, just chase this, really jump on it immediately, and stop loss above, and then you can start to get out, like one contract out here, one contract out here, and at the VWAP you just need to close everything because you know we're gonna bounce. So there was another missed opportunity today, but it's all right. That's okay. I'm gonna put that is sell side liquidity here. Let's mark that sell side RTH. And that's it. Let's look for one, because I might actually try to look for a little long somewhere here. Just watch this 15 minutes, but we'll see. It's kind of range day today. If you look at that, after this huge push, we're basically grabbing liquidity on both sides, probably end somewhere here in the middle at the end of the day. At the POC, that's pretty much what's gonna happen. It's already 11:28, so just quickly have a look. So even here we had an opportunity to enter. That was beautiful long, and that was a really nice short. Also watch this. 70% is here. Optimum entry, ICT optimum entry will be somewhere here, maybe. Yeah, we'll see. It's weekend now, and that's lunchtime, so I will probably finish this video here. Just close down. It's a short video, but yeah, 2 great entries, 2 missed opportunities today. I'm just gonna mark this as well. Let's before this, yeah, That's it. Two great entries, long and short. If we grab that, just have a look in 5 minutes. Here's a bearish gap on 5 minutes. Let's mark that. Yeah. Let's see. If I feel still bullish, that's a fair value gap here in the discount area. That's a bit too high. I would wait for a drop to 62, maybe even 70 to buy that. Just patience, really, now. Yeah. That's it. Two opportunities, two trades. I quite like that. My goal is to stop trading momentum, start trading this ICT setups only, and build discipline around that to take 1 to 2 trades per day. And that would be perfect. Yeah. Because I do see this trade, but I've been making a lot of momentum trading, a lot of scalping on Nasdaq. And I have to tell you this, that Nasdaq is not the best tool to trade ICT setups because it's more erratic. It moves high, pushes high, it's got those overshoots to the upside and to the downside. It's less liquid. It is a less liquid market. That's why you got those erratic moves. And I think even when I was trading NQ, I kept looking on ES and I was looking at a bookmap on ES. Many times that would bring me into a little bit of trouble. Two different products, but so yeah, really, I'm going to just really focus right now on ES only and ICT technique concept. So I'm taking a little bit of time off from real trading, and I will focus on these trades only and see the outcome. Might do this for another week to next week. We'll see. But the opportunity, this is an opportunity to change completely and reinvent my way of trading so far. There was lots of ups and downs, making good money, blowing up accounts, apex accounts, or top step accounts, and I'm a little bit tired of this thing. So it's just I'm taking a step back, looking at this from different perspective, and yeah, that's the plan. So this is a trap trader, guys, from London. Trading ICT concept only from now on. We've been watching ES, and I didn't take any trades. I hesitated here, and I missed that one. I can see more and more often that these good trades here, they will not give you a second try. You're not gonna have a second opportunity to get in. What I mean by that is this. Where is that thing? It's here. Like the perfect setup would be. Let's switch to let's say 3 minutes. Perfect setup would be this. Market comes down, taps into this fair value gap, you buy it, and then off you go. It didn't happen. Same story here. We have created the fair value even on 1 minute. Look at that. Liquidity swept, London buy side swept. And we have, let's just switch the color. Okay, we'll switch the color later. Drop. And you would expect, I want this to get into fair value gap one more time so I can short it. Whatever, you know. And it didn't happen. You basically, what I see, I need to anticipate that this fair value gap is going to happen the moment this candle closes and basically jump on it here. This is when I'm already going to see that the fair value happened. Or once we're breaking and we're coming back into it, that's the moment when I'm going to have to take, if I want cheaper trade, you know, smaller risk, that's the moment when we'll have to do it. Just jump on it straight away. Stop loss here, that's it. And obviously market might go higher, take me out and do it again. Well, that's fine. Well, that's fine. Very often we have to, you know, push into the liquidity and then trying one more time. We'll see. But I'm going to watch this. So today it was all about jumping on what you could. You had pretty much a couple of, like 1 second to decide. Because this week was just 1 second and immediately sell side came in, they wanted to sell. Same thing happened here. You had a little bit more. I think I remember that fair value gap was, we pushed here, we pushed that, and then we had a fair value hit for a second. You could get in there. Technically speaking, you could get in here, and your risk was 12. Let's say it was 7 points. That's not cheap trade. And if you wanted to be more conservative, that will have to be 4. That's 8 points risk. It's quite a lot. But it does look like market is one drop and the second drop. And if you did on the first drop, you will be stopped. So you had 2 drops here before we resume higher. And here we had only 1. And we just dropped. So these are the nuances that we're gonna expect every single day, and we'll have to make a decision whether we want to take the trade or not. And if I was trading this with 1 contract, I think the minimum is 2, really, to make sense, and hold 1 till we take that liquidity and then close the second one into volume, into view up. So 2 is like a minimum if I don't want to risk too much. Or I could go with minis and have 15 minis. Then, yeah, then the risk is not going to be that big. It's going to be $75 per point. So this is 8. That will be $500, something like that. $600 risk. And here would be less. That will be 3 points, 4 points. That means that's we're talking about $300 risk. And that's fine. So probably this is what I would do. Take these 2 trades. I will be taking them next week. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great weekend. Like and subscribe. This is Trap Trader from London. Bye.